now to inspire you with my original Burn For You Punk Burnt Toast Valentine's Day range of charms made from polymer clay. If you love making polymer clay miniature food and want some toast inspiration, then this video is for you. And if you want to learn how to make clay toast or like the ideas that I've come up with, then please subscribe to this channel to keep up with my projects and tutorials to make your very own. So please feel free to take a squiz at my Etsy shop if you like. I'm Mel, by the way, and thanks for watching, and happy Valentine's Day to you punks out there. Click the link at the end of this video to discover more toasty goodness.